welcome back to my channel, and if y'all are new, welcome. My name is Lorena. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know it might have been a while since you've seen videos from me, okay, but having a baby growing inside you really takes the energy out of you, okay? Just saying, throwing that out there. Today will be a video on this look using everything from the Kathleen Lights collection. Well, not everything, I just don't use like 4 or 3 products from it. But yeah, I know it's really late. It took me a while to even get the order, and my husband ordered it for me like as soon as it went on sale, and it took forever to get here, okay? But it finally came, and then I've been tired, I can't lie to y'all, so I'm just now getting to this video. I know it's really late, but I really wanted to mess around, and I figured why not just mess with the products and just film it. Even though it's gonna be late, it'll be another video for y'all to watch. So yeah, I really hope y'all enjoy this look and just keep on watching to get it. I haven't played with any of it just because of this video. You know, I got everything. I just pretty much opened everything up just to look at it, you know, close up. But I haven't swatched anything or nothing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do the eyes first. So let me just get everything out of the box, or the thing, whatever you want to call it. I really honestly don't want to throw this away, but I'm having a baby come into this world, so I can't really keep a lot of stuff, you know. But this is so cute. I love the packaging. Well, the packaging of the package. Just, I'm in love with these super Nova shadows, but like, I don't think I'm that advanced to do anything with them. I don't know. I might mess with it, but not on this video, I'm pretty sure, because I don't want to be leaving the house looking weird like a weirdo or having to take off my makeup. So yeah, I love the lipstick packaging. It is so pretty. I want to display it for real. And I love this. I just love the navy with the gold, or the rose gold, gold, whatever. But I love it. Look at it. Love it. Like me. That's what it looks like. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and do my brows. I just want to mainly focus this on the eyes and like the lips and the highlight of what I use from this collection. So yeah, let me be right back and do my brows. I'm gonna put my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion on my lids. And now to set that, I'm gonna go ahead and get my Sephora Pro palette, and I'm gonna go in with Linen, which is gonna be the first shadow right here, right when you open it up on top, you know, like you're looking at it right there. And I'm gonna set that, you know, set that with that. Alright, now that I have that on my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with the Taurus, and it's right there in the palette, and that's gonna be my crease shadow in the crease area. Now that I have that in my crease, I'm gonna go in with the Virgo right there, and I'm gonna put it on the outer V of my eye. Taurus and just blend that out. I'm gonna just go ahead and on the side of the brush where I had the Virgo on, I'm gonna just try and just put some more on there, but without going into more of the color and without getting any more of the first one. Just blend. Alright, now that we have that, I think I'm gonna go with the Cancer up here, and I'm gonna put that right up in the front and move into that dark shade. And I'm gonna go in with that brush of the first shade and just blend it out. And I think I'm gonna try and add some more of the Cancer. Now that I have that, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and do the rest of my face, and everything I use, I will put it down below, okay? See you in a bit. Alright y'all, now that I have my face on, I'm feeling pretty good, okay? Not gonna lie. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with the Virgo, just a little bit, really light, a little bit along the lash line, like not too heavy-handed, just a little bit, okay? Now that I have that, I'm gonna go in with the color. It's gonna be the Aquarius, which is this very, very nice cobalt kind of blue, I guess you can say. And I'm gonna put that right on top of that. Okay, I ended up blending it out a little bit with the brush that I used with the very first shade that I put in my crease color with no product. I just, like, you know, blend it out, put some more without putting any more product of the blue on. I realized I didn't put nothing on my brow bone, so I'm gonna go back in with that linen shade. Or no, I'm gonna go in with powder, which is right next to linen shade in this palette right here, and put that up there. So yeah, that's there. Okay, now that I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my waterline. This is from L'Oreal. It's in the shade Cobalt Blue, and it's in the Infallible Longwear eye pencil, and that will go on my waterline. Alright, dun dun dun. It's between the Fire and the on the Cusp highlighters. I'm gonna go more with the on the Cusp highlighter today. Oh, and you know what else I'm gonna do right now? Since I have this, oh, just with the extra product on this brush, I'm gonna bring that one shadow right there. Put some down the nose. Oh, that was kind of a lot, but. Okay, next will be the lips. For the lips, we have What's Your Sign and Scorpio Moon. For this, I'm gonna do What's Your Sign. Go ahead and go off camera and put my mascara on, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look of this tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I honestly really love this highlight. Okay, I'm like in love. It's so smooth, and I know my face, it's been breaking out because of the baby, okay? But I'm in love. I love the highlight. It's just so good. I love it. I love it. The eyeshadow palette, I love all the colors, especially just the pops of colors that are in it. Like the purple, the blue, the aqua sparkly color right here, in this purple. And I'm so ready to play around with the Aries right there. But I just like how she incorporated some warm colors and then just some boom over the top colors. And this lipstick, I love. It's so smooth like butter. Okay, I love the color on me. I thought it would be too like not so my color for my color, but I love it. The only thing I didn't really get to do at all is the supernova shadows, because yeah, I was thinking, you know, maybe playing with it up there, but if it didn't look right, you know, I kind of would have fucked up the look. So, but I loved how this turned out. I've never done a look like this. Well, I probably obviously did it a look like this before, you know, from the top lid, but on the bottom, I love this, like adding a pop of color to it. I'm down with it. I hope y'all are down with it because I love it. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below if y'all got any of the products from the collection, how y'all feel about them, what's your favorite product, and yeah, just talk with me, okay? And also give this video a big thumbs up if y'all enjoyed it and liked it, and please subscribe down below. Click that little notification bell to know when I upload. I know it might be rare right now, but I promise you my energy is coming back, okay? Sometimes I have those days where I don't, but it's coming back, okay? Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and remember to please spread love and positivity, because that is what this world needs right now, and there's nothing wrong with just spreading some love and positivity, okay? Anyway, see y'all in my next video. Bye. My dang nose. Every time I do my makeup, it starts running. Like, can I stop running somewhere? All right, see? Like a little bit of, well, let me bring you up and up, yeah. Oh my gosh, I have a good idea. Yep. Okay, we're almost done, y'all. Almost. Oh shit! Shoot! Okay, everything.